Hello everyone, welcome to the best product review channel on YouTube. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we analyze hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guide and check out the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, without any delay, let's get started.
In this video we break down the top 5 best propane camp stove you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best propane camp stove on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which propane camp stove are you currently using, and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Camp Chef Everest 2-burner stove. The Everest 2-burner stove packs plenty of power underneath the hood. 2 high-pressure burners of 20,000 BTUs generate all the heat you need to cook your meals and provide your family with food. An ignition system that is matchless can fire your Everest quickly. The igniter in the piezo ignition system brings the stove by pressing a button, so you don't have to worry about hot matches that are wet and burning your hand. The Camp Cook's Everest is among the most popular and tried and tested designs available in the field of camping stoves. It offers the best combo of power to cook, comfort and a high level of performance. In terms of output, you'll find 2 huge burners that produce plenty of heat, but they also offer an excellent control of the simmer for cooking more complex and diverse dishes. In addition, you get functional features such as an easy-to-use carry handle, lockable lid and side shields that stop wind from entering, a stainless steel cooking grate with nickel coating as well as a hefty 12 pounds weight, and you'll get an impressively spacious and powerful design. The Everest 2X offers slight enhancements in the resistance to wind and durability, and an updated look and feel. Everest stoves are heavier and bulkier than many competitors, especially when compared against sleek models similar to Covia's Slim Twin below, although they're nonetheless quite compact and simple to transport. Our second best propane camp stove is Coleman Camp Propane Stove. The Coleman's Camp Propane Stove bucks that trend by using only one burner on one side, and an integrated aluminum grill on the other. This makes cooking meals that require multiple ingredients significantly faster and efficient. For instance, boiling the water to make tea or coffee in one area of your stove and making bacon and sausage without having to wait for a burner to come up. While simultaneously grilling chicken with the 2-in-1 Coleman Tabletop Propane Camping Grill/Stove, 2-burner. The stove surface fits a 10-inch pan, and the 130 square inch grill area leaves plenty of room for grilling. All of this in one compact design that sets up easily at the campsite, tailgate, or wherever outdoor adventures take you. A rotating dial lets you control burners for precise temperature control. Pressure control technology keeps the heat steady for consistent performance, even in cold weather, high altitudes, or when fuel is low. Side panels shield burners from wind, can be adjusted to fit larger pans, and fold down for use as side tables on calmer days. It facilitates a more complete fuel combustion process, delivering more effective cooking heat to your food with less fuel. A grease tray collects the grease drippings from cooking and is removable for mess-proof disposal. It securely latches lid closed for safe and easy transport. Number 3 in our list is Coleman Gas Camping Stove. This Coleman stoves is simple, reliable performance. Toward the bottom of their camping stove lineup is the Classic Propane, which is consistently on sale for under budget. Cooking power is up to 20,000 total BTUs. Fits a 12-inch and 10-inch pan at the same time. Pressure control technology keeps the heat steady for consistent performance, even in cold weather, high altitudes, or when fuel is low. It facilitates a more complete fuel combustion process, delivering more effective cooking heat to your food with less fuel. Side panels shield burners from wind, can be adjusted to fit larger pans, and fold down for use as side tables on calmer days. A rotating dial lets you control burners for precise temperature control. Cooking performance reflects the initial impressions. The Classic has slightly less power than the Triton, but lacks in flame performance across the range, despite the perfect flow designation. But look at these results with some perspective. Fourth recommendation in our side is Camp Chef Explorer 2-burner. The stove sets up quickly, and its sturdy legs are individually adjustable to adapt to uneven ground. In keeping the price down, however, The Explorer is pretty low on features, that is, there is no push-button ignition, and the burners are less protected than premium offerings. The durable, versatile unit packs enough power in its 30,000 BTUs burners to boil water and cook your food, whether you're tailgating at the football stadium or camping with the family. Portability is no problem with the removable legs, and a 3-sided windscreen makes outdoor cooking easy. You'll be up for anything when you have the Explorer 2X with you, so add it to your collection today. Being one of Camp Chef's 14-inch cooking systems, the Explorer is very versatile and can be equipped with many different Camp Chef accessories. The cast iron griddle heats evenly and holds heat well, making it easy to cook your food to perfection. Pre-seasoned with Camp Chef's True Season finish, this griddle has a natural cooking surface that is ready to use out of the box. Every piece of our cast iron cookware comes pre-seasoned with our True Season finish, providing a natural, easy-release surface that is ready to cook on. This professional grill box gives you the ability to grill your favorite foods to perfection, every time. It has been designed with Camp Chef's patented heat diffuser system that minimizes hot spots and converts flames into infrared heat. This vaporizes grease drippings and infuses your food with the best, richest flavors. Pre-seasoned cast iron grilling surface holds and distributes heat evenly. For details, let's watch more. Last in our top 5 best propane camp stove list is Coleman Triton propane stove. Coleman Triton is the newer version from Coleman's classic camping stove, with new design and a small boost in BTUs. The additional 1000 BTUs per burner won't make a massive difference in cooking, however the Triton is able to get hotter a bit quicker. You can't make a mistake with either of these stoves that have been tested and proven. They're both simple, reliable and cost-effective stoves that are reliable and durable. The decision between the two comes down to aesthetics and price. Although both the MSRP for the Triton as well as the Classic are about the same, however, the Classic often is sold at a lower price. Take your outdoor cooking to the next level with the Coleman Triton propane gas camping stove, 2-burner. With easy setup on a flat surface, you'll be cooking with up to 22,000 total BTUs of power in no time. Adjustable wind blocking panels shield burners from the wind.